How to fix screenshots not working issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the screenshot issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue while taking screenshots, then open settings. Now scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now click on software update, and from here update the mobile's software to latest version. And after updating the mobile's software, the screenshot issue will be fixed. But after updating, if you are still facing the issue, then you can enable an alternative way to take screenshot. So for that, open settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility features and then tap on shortcuts and gestures. Now click on screenshot or global favorites, and here you will see a knuckle screenshots button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button you can just simply knock on your screen 2 times to take screenshot. So you can see it took a screenshot when I knocked 2 times. So that's how you can fix the screenshot not working issue in Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.